Are you comfortable?
I am.
It's crazy to me that Kevin, the Polish guy, he like got a bunch of like all his tattoos. He got done.
Oh.
And honestly, if I were like, not that I wouldn't get a tattoo in Nepal, but I'd probably rather get one in. I don't know. I think I'd probably be worried a little bit about like
The needle.
I can't talk about that. I did my tattoo on a bench in a
Who did it?
Huh?
Did you do them yourself?
No. Like a tattoo artist came.
Oh, wow.
Everybody almost like got a tattoo in Nicaragua in the hostel.
I can hop out for a second. I can walk.
Maybe we can like get a little up like this.
Oh wait, here we go. He's getting this top of the hill.
भैया जब आपको मुश्किल लगे ना आप बता देना 1 मिनट के लिए हम उतर जाएंगे.
The thing is, like, I want to do this one for these things. Like it's, oh, but here we go.
Yay!
Roll downhill, baby.
Having a little night
A little shopping.
little shopping. Yeah, I saw those vans, those with the slippers,
Oh yeah.
and I always wanted some, and now it's the time to get fake ones.
Oh yeah. Yeah, I think I need to get like a linen shirt.
Oh.
Like something that isn't just hiking gear, but also isn't gonna be super hot when it's 44
Yeah.
degrees.
Right.
Maybe even some linen trousers.
Maybe even some linen trousers. I don't know. I think that I'm gonna have some. I think I'm gonna have some problem with sizing outfits in Nepal. When I was in like France, I was like, I'm like an American large. In France, I think I was like a triple XL.
Really?
Yeah, or like a double XL. Because the guys they're tight, they're small.
How old are you?
Like 194 centimeters. 195 centimeters.
How would that be? What would that be in inches?
76.
Like 6 feet? Okay, 6'4".
But the girl doesn't have one comment
Yeah, yeah.
thing going on because I don't even know my size in inches.
How many centimeters?
165.
Probably, I think like 5'7".
5'7".
So I am
So
5'3.5".
What?
I am 5'3.5", and I think you and I are similar height or no? You're taller.
You're
Okay.
smaller.
Okay.
I think so.
Hmm.
We'll see in a second. Or maybe in a bit more
In a
than
while.
second.
Yeah.
I honestly, it's very hard for me to like. I don't notice
What?
when people are like anywhere between 5 foot tall and like 6 foot tall. I don't really notice the difference so much.
So he's gonna drop us on the other side of the bridge, and from there we walk. Like he's gonna drop us before that.
Okay,
Oh my god.
he's got this. Oh, here we go. Fuck. Fuck. Be a bad place to stall out here. On this little rise. Come on, come on, come on.
उतर जाए एक मिनट.
Here. Good. Very good.
सारे उतर जाएं. मैं बैठी रहूं. I can keep sitting. He's saying you can keep sitting. पुल पार करके उतारे ना भैया. बैठने दे. आ जाइए. Come.
Come?
Yeah. So we are going a little further.
Okay.
Okay, you again.
No, you get in. Get in. I'm
No,
gonna,
get
I'm gonna help
in.
him
No,
get
no,
going.
no.
Okay.
You go in.
Then you wanna
It's just.
go top?
You come. Yeah. Sorry.
There you go.
How did you hold yourself? You'll be fine. Is it okay for everybody?
Absolutely.